All right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's laidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome Friday. This video is a few days late. I am so sorry, but I am doing it and it is going to be awesome. All right. Okay, I got a package. Do y'all see this package? This is an awesome package right here. I got it from Matthew at Matthew's. Oh my goodness, this is just, I'm ecstatic. But I've opened it already. But yeah, this is just too cool. But I got this from Matthew at Happy Curmudgeon Carving. Y'all have to go check him out. He will have a link in my description. But oh my goodness. Matthew told me he was going to put together a box of wood for me. I had no idea that it was going to be this much stuff, and I am so appreciative and just so happy. It's totally made my day. But I got a letter that come with it. He says, "Grumpy, I wanted to thank you for the stickers. Trying to come up with one. Put some wood and an antler in here for you. It's road. Goodness gracious, I just knew how to pronounce this. Rhododendron. Goodness gracious. This is one of them crazy ones that Grumpy ain't used to. Rhododendron. Woo! Good stuff. There you go, rhododendron. I had to look it up on that Google. Rhododendron. There you go. Sickle pear, oak, hemlock, and antler. That says, thanks again, Tim Matthew at Happy Curmudgeon Carvings. Dude, this was awesome. That's all I can say. I can't say it enough. It was straight awesome. But let me get to some of this beautiful stuff in here, y'all. And we got a little different view for the camera angle today. We'll see how this goes. But this is that rhododendron. I got 3 nice pieces of that to play with. And it's dense, tough and dense. I like that. I like it. Yeah. That's gonna be fun to turn. I can't wait. And then this is some of the sickle pear. That's gonna have some cool colors in there, y'all. I can't wait to turn on that. Then there is, let's see, there's 3 pieces of that sickle pear. Then there is, we got 4 pieces of this hemlock. And this here, I can't. It's light, but it seems dense. This is gonna be a fun one to play with. I'm not sure if this is gonna be power carving. This is a nice piece right here. I can cut that. I can do some wood spirits on that. I've never messed with hemlock, so I don't know how it carves. I don't know how it holds the detail and whatnot. But I like the grain. It's got some cool grain and some cool colors in there. But I got 4 pieces of that right there. That's just too cool. And, oh, we're not done, you know. Matthew got some stuff in this box now. And then I got some cool slabs of oak. They're about, what, a little over an inch? 1 by 1 squares? Yeah, about 1 by 1 squares. There you go. Yeah, 4 of those. Those got some awesome color in there too. I like that. And those, we got, let's see, 2 roach clips, or a couple of pins in a roach clip, dab spoon. Those are perfect length right there to play with. Perfect size and length and all. And then it's beautiful. Yeah, I was not expecting this at all. But this beautiful piece of antler. And I bet that was a beautiful deer. That was a little, what, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got, what, 4, they call that 8 point, 4 on each side. Beautiful little deer. My dad, he passed away about 20 years ago, but he was a deer hunter. He loved to hunt. He run dogs and all that kind of stuff. He had a bunch of money in that, but oh yeah, he would like this. And that's awesome. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. And for this daggone box of goodies right here, you just don't know.
This is an awesome community, and I greatly appreciate this so much. But thank you again. Everybody go check out Matthew's channel. I will have a link for it in my description. And this is just too flipping cool. I greatly appreciate this, but you just have no idea. But I can't wait to make something with it. I don't know what we're gonna do. I have a feeling I'm gonna attack a piece of the oak first, just because I'm used to messing with that. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do first, y'all. We will see. Maybe we'll do it in one of my crazy early morning lives, or maybe I'll make some videos out of it, but we're definitely gonna be making something. I can't wait. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Y'all have an awesome day. Everybody stay awesome. Stay laid back. Remember, it's my job to be grumpy. God bless everybody. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Matthew. What a gift, it's true.